This video is about how to calculate the correlation in Microsoft Excel. But before calculation, let me explain you what the correlation is. So in correlation, we find the relation between input and output variables. There are two types of correlation, positive and negative. If we increase the input and the output also increases, this is called as positive correlation. And the example is more hours of study gives us more marks in the exam. The second type of correlation is the negative correlation. When we increase the input factor and output gets decreases, it is called as negative correlation. And the example is the price of the smartphone gets decreases when the age of the smartphone increases. We divide the correlation in three categories: weak correlation, moderate, and high correlation. And it ranges from 0 to 1. The weak correlation range from 0 to 0.3, moderate from 0.31 to 0.75, and if we get a number above 0.75, we call it as high correlation. And now it's time to find the correlation in the Microsoft Excel. So let's calculate this one first. We have to put equal, then CORREL, open parenthesis, and now we have to select two arrays. So we have this array, this one, we have to select this one, then put a comma here, comma, and select the second array, and this is our second array, right? Close the parenthesis or close the bracket and press the enter button. So this is our correlation, and we know that it has a negative sign, so it is a negative correlation. And since it is greater than 0.75, so it's a high correlation. We call it as high negative correlation. And now it's time to find the correlation for this example. Equal correl, CORREL, open parenthesis, and now we need to select two arrays. So this right here is our first array. We need to put a comma, and this is our second array, and then close the bracket, press enter button, and this right here is our correlation. And since it is a positive, because there is a no negative symbol with this, so we call it as a positive correlation, and its value is greater than 0.75, so it's a high positive correlation. So that's how we calculate the correlation in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.